Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can edit your PDF files using the Soda PDF file converting tool online, free of charge. So let's get started. In the first step, head over to sodapdf.com. And what you want to do next, guys, is hover your mouse over online tools here at the top, or simply click on it. And on the next page, select that feature from that list below, Edit PDF, to access Soda's PDF editor. Now you can use that PDF editor free of charge online. Simply click on Choose File here to locate your PDF file or document on your device. Wait for the upload to be finished. Give Soda a moment. That may or may not take a second. And after a moment, you will be given access to your now editable PDF document. So what you can do, guys, is, for example, you can resize your text or PDF document by clicking on one of these edges here, or you can rotate it, you can skip to the next page or switch between pages. Then you can, for example, mark parts of your text and change the color or the font, or change the entire document alignment from a left to right or to centered alignment, and so on and so forth. Here at the top, you will see some additional features and functions, like for instance the drawing tool. Then you may upload and add images to your PDF document. You can crop your document, merge it with other PDF documents, and so on and so forth. They even installed a translation tool here to the left, as you can see. So there's plenty of options, as you can see here on Soda's PDF editor. So guys, that's basically it. I'd suggest you play around here and check out these tools, these editing tools for yourself. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.